This form is to be used anytime you use unsynced PTL Type 1 traffic lights on a Roadtek work site. The use of unsynced PTL Type 1 traffic lights has been restricted by Roadtek and requires the team leader to have this form filled out and signed by the Roadtek supervisor anytime they are in use. It contains a JSA with a hazard identification, risk matrix, and control that must be completed within the form. What makes it necessary to run lights unsynced tab? This is the reason for using unsynced PTL Type 1 lights. This can generally be because the distance is too great for communication between traffic lights, the remotes usually do not have a range greater than 50 meters, or if the lights do not have direct line of sight.
JSA tab. Open the JSA and enter the hazard details, e.g. the distance is too great for controllers to communicate. Initial risk tab. This is the risk matrix. Use the graph to calculate the risk. If the controllers are not communicating, then the risk would be likely and the consequences major. Save and close.
Add Control tab. The next page will show the hazard prior to adding a control. By adding a control, in this case the use of unsynced controllers, you reduce the risk from high to low. Go back to main page. You will notice the JSA has now gone from high to low.
Did you get a score of M16 on the risk assessment? Please record Score tab. Please record the score after you have entered the controls used in the previous risk matrix. If it is not below M16, then you will need to add another control to lower the score. Add the time and date of entry using the Time Date menu.
Client signature. This is mandatory. The Roadtek site supervisor must sign off on this control for you to proceed with the work.
Team leader signature. This must only be signed off by the team leader on site.